I just gotta let you know we're being audio and video recorded. We're on Wildcat. Were you camping?
I'm not sure where it is.
You just have camping stuff in the car?
No, we were camping with some friends.
Oh.
We decided to go take off for the...
Yeah, we got these guys stopped, and they're definitely up to no good. They got some tools in the back. We're trying to see if that came from the RP's house. They're suspended, no insurance, and one of them has a cite and release warrant. But all right, so here's what's going to happen. You're eventually going to get out of the car. The car's going to be impounded because you're suspended and can't prove there's insurance. So more likely than not, there isn't. So the vehicle's going to be impounded. Welcome to Clackamas County. So you lady in the back, you have a warrant. So she's under arrest at the moment. It's a cite and release warrant. And then, so she's going to get out first. They're going to detain her.
You ready for a passenger step out?
Yeah, you can have him get out next.
Okay.
And you can jump out too, man. All right, go stand by the front of the car. That fell out of the car when he got out.
Yeah.
Hey, Tyler, can you detain him? Yeah. It's all consistent with meth and heroin use. We found heroin on him. Bolt cutters. So this is your car. And whose green backpack was that?
Acquaintance of an acquaintance.
How long has it been in the car?
Just since this morning when he left.
Okay. And then where's the acquaintance at?
He's with my other friend.
Okay. Are those tools yours?
Yeah.
Everything in there, all those tools are yours? And you've acquired them legally?
Yeah.
So throughout the car, in various bags and stuff, there's a lot of keys to other cars. Why are those in your car?
The other car.
Yeah.
Well, I got pretty much a set of keys to already.
Because there's literally a black bag over there that's full of keys, spare keys. Yeah.
I found that place for me.
It probably just seems suspicious to me, that's all. No, it's probably me, man. It's not you. Okay, so the reason why you're in handcuffs is when you got out of the car, my partner saw a plastic bag with some black stuff in it fall down. Do you know what that was? What? What was it? What?
Black?
Yeah. Was it heroin? Okay. You ever been arrested for it? No? Does it kind of change your perception a little bit? Kind of where it gets you?